Teamwork and collaboration are skills we all use and need every day.
Whether you're working on a group project,
Part of a sports team,
or building a car,
it's important that people can collaborate and ask questions as they work together to achieve a common goal.
in this video, you'll hear from GM employees who work at different plants and offices about how they incorporate teamwork and collaboration in their personal lives and at their jobs.
Let's head to the plant floor and talk with team leaders Teddy and Brianna as they show us what parts of a car their teams work on and how they collaborate to make it all come together.
This is one of our press lines my team runs. I've got about 15 people that are on my line. I've got 4 or 5 packers, a quality person, a press operator, 2 drivers, a ticket person, and then there's me in the middle of everything. So these are our dies. Every job, like the hood of your car, it will take 5 of these to make that one hood. These dies are so big and heavy. This die right here, 60,000 pounds. That's a lot. An average car only weighs 2,000 pounds. 30,000 of your cars is this one die. Dies can come from 50,000 pounds all the way to 100,000 pounds. They're very, very, very heavy.
This is my work area. I look at the computer screen just to see how the line is running. Green is good, red is bad. If something's blocked or something is down, I'll be able to tell exactly where to go to make sure that everything is running how it should be out here. Here we have our 1, 2, 3, 4 clutch. What's over here is installing the 1, 2, 3, 4 into the transmission. This is a shaker. It can be a little difficult at times, but luckily I have a great team that finesses the way to figure it out, but he's a pro at it.
The teamwork, it has a tremendous role. Sports really taught me that and prepared me for life after college. To apply it here is the same thing. The leadership, the teamwork, again, the effective communication, willing to speak out and including everybody. That was the biggest thing. We're all from different backgrounds, we're all different people. We all have different feelings, thoughts, and emotions, but when it all comes together, we paint a beautiful picture.
I think teamwork is an everyday thing here, and I love it because you have the electrical side and then mechanical, and if it's a big breakdown, you're working with all the trades, so machine repair, tool makers, and then obviously the engineers are there.
Teamwork is huge. It's a big part of it, and the more you utilize it, the more you learn, the better overall team you can be, and you come closer, and it's really like a family that develops.
In school, you learn, some of the hard skills. Hopefully along the way, you start to learn some of those softer skills as well. And a big part of that is working effectively in a team. I think creating an environment where people feel like their input matters and that they feel appreciated as well is really important. And it goes a long way. I think when somebody feels like their input matters, is valued, and that they're appreciated, they're more willing to bring their best work and do their best effort.
There's a lot of other people that are in our group. For example, I make the material, someone makes the actual math, someone may build the environment, someone may build the lights. All that has to connect. For example, if we turn the lights off, everything in this room is black. So we have to all work in harmony.
If you think of it like a puzzle, there's so many components to our team. We have the metal shop, the wood shop, the paint shop, fiberglass, the designers, the sculptors, the engineers, and we all come together at the end to build a beautiful product. It's really rewarding. Number 1, I believe, is teamwork/communication. If you have that together, which doesn't always happen, so you just gotta take a deep breath, step back, and refocus, and once it all comes together, your project comes together. Don't get me wrong, there's gonna be hiccups along the way, and don't back away from it, just keep moving forward.
Ask your parents for help and learn from others. That's the best part. You grow faster as a team. You grow faster learning from others. If you haven't made a mistake, somebody else has made it, and you can learn from that without making the mistake yourself, which is even better. Embrace the fact that it's okay not to do it yourself. And it is not failing, it is growing, and it is doing things a different way.
There's often times where not everyone knew how to fix this problem, but the more that your team knows and may encounter this in the future, go step by step. Try to explain the problem to your team as best as you can, or explain the solution. Beneficial for everyone to know how to fix problems as opposed to all the knowledge being hoarded by one person.
You fall back on training, you fall back on your coworkers' knowledge as well. We'll help each other learn, and then next time somebody may ask me that, now I know this answer. It's learning to say, I don't know.
Teamwork and collaboration are two important skills you need to succeed. Whether you're building a car like our friends at GM,
or working on a school project. Remember, everyone's opinion matters.